ate Musumba.
Was a question from Eliezer, who was the servant ordained to go and get Isaac, the son of Abraham, a wife. And he asked, what if the wife is not willing to come back to this family? Should I bring her back to you and your people? And we are charged with the task of explaining and talking about our lineages in the shortest possible time. And I will begin. On the maternal side, Robert Kayanja is born of Pastor Jessica Kayanja, and I am the daughter of Professor Sempewa. My grandfather, my late grandfather, is Edward Mukasa Sempewa. My great-grandfather was Nunda Edward Mukasa Sempewa. And my late mother is called Ethel Namunya Semakula Sempewa. My parents happen to be here today. I'm going to ask Professor Sempewa and his wife.
When you're in the program with somebody, but you never talk. So the last year of senior project, my teacher, Christy Fruitnich, and her teacher as well, wanted me to join the advertising club, which is a senior project, because she wanted me to present, because apparently I can talk very well in front of crowds. Who knew? So I get into the entire club and everything, and still, we're just doing classwork, like nothing. And at the time, I didn't really think I'd have a shot with her. So you kind of just put that into the back of your mind. So this is the part I'm just going to speed through, so it's not too boring. And you guys don't fall asleep because you look hungry. Like you are looking at me like, dude, we have sat here, we've waited. She's out, you're out, dismiss us so we can eat. I'm coming. So, what ended up happening, it's the last year. Like everything's done, everything's ended, and she's graduating. So, I came to the conclusion that if I tell her I like her, and she rejects me, I never have to see her again. She's graduating, she's going back to Denver. I was graduating that fall, so I never have to see her again.
A special request, Robert. There's something she would like to give you as well. To further confirm that she will go the distance for you. So now, listen. In the meantime, Heidi, please prepare to come and take a break.